I'm playing with my monster truck. I'll dig out.
Your remote control monster truck?
I'll dig out.
Okay, and what are you gonna do with it?
Drive it on the couch.
Drive it around the couch. Okay, show us.
Can you turn it?
I can, but Mom, watch. Now, you Honeybird! I saw that. Wait, no! And it almost got in the water.
You better go backwards.
There you go. Now go one. Now go.
Can you help me
right
make a
here.
flipbook after my chores are done?
Sure, after your chores are done.
Mom, now I got go forward. I read the virus on it. It has that in there that below. Let me try this thing. Is that better? Now go backwards. Now go one. It almost there.
Oh my gosh.
You kicked me off the couch so you could do that?
I didn't, but you did off by yourself.
I didn't, but you got off by yourself.
Mom, can you help me
Bow.
look for a house? After my chores are done, bring it to your car.
I'm trying to. No, they do want that though.
It looked like there was.
Hey, Nana, I got the idea. Let's put my dolls, like, for my mother dot.
Oh yeah?
It just landed.
You landed it.
No, here. This is a space alien.
Oh, it's a space alien car?
What's his name?
I don't know.
It has laser eyes.
Is that what it does?
Yeah. No, where his eyes? No, where his eyes? No, where his eyes
I
with
see
your
'em.
hand?
Oh, fill them?
Yeah.
I can't move.
Ha!
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Ha!
Quit freezing me.
Ha!
Quit freezing me. Don't freeze me.
No, I read in the camera.
Don't freeze the camera. I can't take video of you.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Are you unfreezing me? Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. You froze me again.
No, I was a hot tub.
You froze my hot tub. Ah, how am I going to take a hot tub?
I know we the water was this.
Don't freeze my water.
Buddy. No, you lay right here.
What's your car doing in there?
I don't know.
Okay, here comes the crane.
Me. There you go. Oh, we need you. Hey, Nana, give me that.
Why does it keep going in the water?
No, it's the mud.
Oh, in
The
the
mud.
mud. Why does it keep going in the mud?
Nana, when this go like that, it will dig up. When it go under, it go like that. It has a dip. Nana, give me that. I got that was right. I don't damn it, Nana.
Do you want some help?
Yeah, help, Nana. Help at the beta, Nana. Get out of me. There you go. Nana. Nana. What's that man do? Nana. Can I be mom? Nana. 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 This is big tires and these are little tires. Nana, this is big tires and these are little tires.
Do the little tires go faster than the big tires?
No. The little tires go low.
They go.
And then the little tires go low. They did it, Nana. They did it, Nana. Hey! Activator, Nana! Help me! Oh, no, Nana! Dang, I need your help! Activator, no! Nana! Dang, Nana, I need your help!
You need help?
Yeah!
What can I do?
You done done me like this and beamed it back to me!
Just like this?
Yeah! He did it.
Why does it keep going in the same mud hole?
I don't know. Help! Help at the beta, Nana! No, I mean, help, day, Nana! I got the button!
Chickens bark?
No, they.
What's that called?
It has a butt.
A buck?
Yeah.
Okay.
That when it came out.
Whoa.
No, hold it. No. There we go. That's it. No. Nana, this is the gold. Nana, this floats on water. Nana, we
Does it
need.
go? It goes through the water?
No, we need a bit of water. Well, this the road.
Oh, you want bigger water so it will float?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't want to ruin it.
It won't. It won't eat.
Yeah?
That will make it eat. Just go to the rest.
So the big tires on it will make it so it won't sink? Is that what you're telling me?
I don't need a bigger tire. I need smaller tires.
You need smaller tires? Why?
We have smaller tires. Wait, no. We need to turn this off for a minute. No, we need to turn this off. No, we need these ones. These ones.
Okay.
So,
Show us how those work.
okay. So you go like this. Oh, they did that dump. It was like going low, high, dumping.
Is that what it did?
Yeah. That did me it, Nana.
Okay, let me get the excavator. You ready for this?
Yeah. No, the other way.
No, it's going to be this way. It's going to do a clean sweep and bring it back to you.
Nana.
Oh no. Oh no.
Nana, they give my mother that. That's a boat. No.
Oh, you want your monster truck cleaned?
Yeah. Who's that activator? On the bottom, on the dais. Right here, right here, right here. And right here, right on the eyes. And right on the head.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't make it.
I need my tire thing. Oh, yeah. Mama, that's the last one, and that's the last one.
Another leaf.
Mom.
And another leaf.
That's the Mama. Wait, you're not Mom. You're Nana.
Why'd you call me Mom?
You did that another time. Nana.
So what did that jump look like?
Wait. Open it. Stop it. Nana. I will do the video.
Okay. Are you ready?
Nana, what are you doing?
I'm gonna jump this.
No,
monster
Nana. The right here.
truck. Okay.
Hold it. Nana, what are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna jump this monster truck out of this pond, out of this mud hole. Okay?
Okay. They don't want that though.
Say, get ready, set, go.
Get ready. They don't want that though. Good job, Nana. They don't want that though. That though.
Oh.
Sorry, Nana.
Okay, this is gonna be the one. You ready? Count it down.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Nana, I didn't say 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you didn't say 3, 2, 1?
No, I didn't down all the numbers.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nana, I don't do yet.
Oh, let's reset our video. Okay, you're gonna do a countdown.
Woody, that's the night 9. Then Woody, that's
What
the
what
night.
number do I need to wait for?
6.
6? Okay. Count me down.
6. Woody, do. Oh, no, you do the video now.
Okay.
Now I.
And what are you, Hansen? What are you doing?
I dumped this out of mud hole.
Okay. Do you want me to count you down?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
No, you don't take this wood.
I gotta
one.
do 6.
Yeah. Do that number? No, give me it. To do that number, it's
Oh.
this.
Oh, okay. 6.
Nana,
What?
we need to do.
Did it make it?
No. It made it out. It's going out.
And now it's coming backwards?
I made a video wet.
Hey, don't get the phone wet.
Oh, that is a dama. That's a dama.
This is the camera? Hey!
I made a dama wet.
Don't get the camera wet. Hey! Stop! Okay, I'm gonna have to put it away.
No.
Don't do it anymore. What do you want?
Elevator, I need your help.
You need help from the excavator.
Yeah.
It's called the excavator. Gonna do a clean sweep.
Oh, thank you, elevator. Thank you, elevator. Nana, do hold it with that hand. Nana, do hold it with that hand.
All right.
No, I need it. Why keep living another? Nope, that one don't do less. No, hold it down.
I'm holding it. Ready?
You don't want that though. Oh, it's off.
Oh, you turned it off.
Yeah. No, that side of it. That side of it.
Try it again.
I want to be biased. I want to be biased.
Okay. Ready?
My Steve, yeah. Steve, the one that up. That. I go that one.
What are we gonna do?
It's up it.